Welcome back to Growing Greater. In today's episode, we'll sneak a peek at the Small Farmer Conference, travel to Texas to hear about one aspiring chef's summer with the Dallas Cowboys, and celebrate agriculture innovation in a meaningful anniversary of our designation as an 1890 land-grant institution. Now, farmers, have you saved the date yet for our Small Farm Conference? On October 16th and 17th, we invite farmers, ranchers, and rural and urban landowners to join us at the Norfolk Waterside Marriott for this year's conference. You'll have an opportunity to network with farmers from all around the country as you gain practical skills and knowledge designed to help you grow your farming expertise.
During this conference, we have several general sessions where we have some highlight important keynote speakers, and then we have several breakout speakers, which they will focus on their area of expertise. We're talking about legacy, production, heirs property, how to market your farm and your products, and how to add value to your products that you grow on the farm. So it's something for everybody, whether you're a rural farmer or an urban farmer, everybody in between. There's something that you can gain or learn from being in attendance at the Small Farm Outreach Program Conference in collaboration with the Minority Landowners magazine.
Our next story takes us far from Virginia as we follow hospitality management student Taylor Borden to Texas, where she served as a line cook intern with the Dallas Cowboys. An athlete herself, Borden dreams of becoming a chef in the professional sports industry. Every day was different as Borden balanced the challenges of learning her trade, creatively incorporating new ingredients and cooking techniques as she crafted nutritious, high-quality meals. Borden has already been invited back for next level internship next summer. Her advice to other students: to pursue those internships and explore new opportunities with real-world experience. Back on Randolph Farm, one College of Ag researcher is getting into the spirit of recycling, although not in the way you might think. Dr. Adnan Yusuf is leading a study to help farmers recycle agricultural waste by turning it into value-added products, like substrate for growing mushrooms and nutritious animal feed. This work addresses multiple issues facing farmers by reducing countless tons of farm waste produced each year and opening new commercial opportunities to farmers while potentially improving livestock health. Dr. Yusuf's work is supported by a competitive grant from the USDA. Just last month marked the 135th anniversary of the historic Second Morrill Act, which expanded opportunities for people of color to access higher education, especially in agriculture and mechanical studies. As an original 1890 land-grant institution, VSU joined other university delegations recently in Washington, D.C. to celebrate. Over the 3-day event, teams of students competed in the Cyber and AI Games for Agriculture, solving real-world agricultural cybersecurity scenarios. Attendees took time to connect and reflect at the celebratory reception at the National 4-H Council and amplified the 1890 story by meeting with congressional representatives. Thanks for watching this episode of Growing Greater. There's always more happening at the College of Ag, and we hope you can catch us in person at some of our upcoming events, like this week at the State Fair or at our annual Fall Fest in October, right here at Randolph Farm. Farmers, don't forget to register for the SFOP conference. And for more details on everything you saw today, visit our website and follow us on Facebook and Instagram to stay in the loop. All right, y'all. Until next time.